Welcome to the Writing Success Center at EMCC. Today we're going to be going over run-on sentences and sentence fragments. A run-on sentence happens when the subject or verb changes in a sentence. If you start a sentence talking about a cat and end it talking about a dog, the subject has changed. A way to help see if the subject or verb is changing is by highlighting the subjects in one color and the verbs in another. Then, once you know if the subject or verb has changed, you can use a period or reword part of the sentence to separate them. In the sentences below, the subjects and verbs are highlighted. In the first sentence, you can see the subject has changed from I to Bob, and the verb has changed from walked to saw. You would need to separate them by using a period. The new sentences would read, I walked into the store to buy milk, and Bob saw the ice cream was on sale. A sentence fragment happens when the sentence is missing the subject or the verb. Again, we will highlight the subjects and verbs in a sentence to see if one is missing. You could also read the sentences individually and try to identify if you know the subject, such as who, what, and the verb, which would be the action in each sentence. In the example, the subject is I, and the verb is walked. I walked into the store. I'm going to write the previous sentence again without the subject. Walked into the store. We can tell from the highlighting that the subject is missing, and as a result, there is a question. The question is, who walked into the store? The answer to this question is I, and that is what you would include in the sentence as the subject. When you need more assistance with writing, please contact the Writing Success Center with the following information.